Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing easy breakfast and lunch ideas you can have throughout the week, so let's get right into it. Starting off by cutting up an apple to go into my oatmeal. Usually I peel the skin, but since these were organic and didn't have that shiny waxy coating, I left it on. Then I crushed up almonds. These make the oatmeal even more filling for me, and I'm sure you can buy these already crushed if you wanted to. When the oatmeal was cooked, I added cinnamon and topped with raisins and apples for sweetness and the crushed almonds as well. Now it's mid-morning and I'm going to make a smoothie to hold me over until lunch. This is beet aloe juice my mom made for me, bless her heart. I'm going to use this as my base. Beets have so many benefits, but I can't tolerate the taste on its own, so I added frozen bananas, strawberries, and pineapples to get the taste I prefer. I also added a plant-based protein as well as bamboo powder. And this is what the smoothie was looking like after it was blended, and it was so good. Now it's lunchtime and I thought I'd make some salmon cakes. First, I fried up some onions and garlic in some grapeseed oil. When that was done cooking, I moved it into a mixing bowl to combine with the canned salmon. Make sure you drain this really well and take out the bones. And then I added scallion and seasoned to my liking. When it's seasoned, I shaped them into patties and fried them in some grapeseed oil until they were brown on both sides. My camera died and I didn't get to film that part, so I'm sorry. And I made some home fries in the air fryer and ate it with a simple salad on the side. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did, so I know if you want to see more easy meal inspiration videos in the future. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.